When you take a step back in a conflict, you'll find the seas and the skies are boundless, and it will certainly be a different situation. And that really captures the essence. Like if you're able to really, in those juncture points, just take a step back out of the situation, it's an intense situation, intense challenge, and rise above it. And then the challenge is no longer like on top of you. In the workplace, because I'm in the design office, often we're working on projects and the design can go many ways. Being able to just step back and go, okay, see how the other idea would work, and it's like, great, and then work with it, and then just help that mature that idea. And it doesn't even matter in the end. You let go of yourself, and it's you're more free to just be present. Life's challenging, like it can be really challenging. And it doesn't stop when you practice Falun Gong. It's not like this is this magic cure for hardship or anything, but it gives you this sort of resilience to understand challenges and how to rise above them, and how challenges can actually be the very thing that helps you improve and helps you grow, helps you expand.
Discover Zhuan Falun, available now at fayuanbooks.com.